In this video, we are going to see how we can generate passport size photos and template using PowerPoint. Welcome to PowerPoint Solar tutorial. So for this, you need to just open the PowerPoint and delete whatever stuff's on there, and then you need to create 12 by 8 inch the photo frame. So for that, you need to open the design and select the slide size. The slide size should be 12 width and height 8 inch. That is what you need to create for the high resolution photos. Once you're done, and once you're done, now you need to create a shape which is square shape. Typically the passport size photos are 2 by 2. So then click on the right click and image, make sure that the size 4 by 4 height, and then the width 4. Once you're done, then you copy and then paste, and then put it on this same page adjacent to that, and then after that one more, and then click all the 3 images and then copy and again paste and put it underneath. So you will have 6 photos on one page. That is what they aim. Now you duplicate, and then all we need just one square, so delete rest of them. Once you're done, what you need to do is make sure your size is perfect, 4 by 4. Now once you're done, then you insert the photos what you're taken. Make sure that your background is white most of the time, and you have the square, and now you keep the square kind of like a 50% transparency, so that you can see the image on the back side. And after that, and you pull on the corners of the photo, make sure that exactly fit into the square. Maybe it's a bigger or smaller, but don't pull these sides. Okay, only the corner. So once it is done, now what you need to do is you click the image first and then the square second, then merge section and then intersection. Now you have the photo. Once you're done, then if your background is kind of like a very dark or gray, then make a little bit white, 10% or 20% depending on how your background is. In case if you increase really high like 30-40, then the photos are not really like a normal or natural, so keep it like natural. Once you're done, then what you have to do is just cut or copy, and then you need to paste it on the square. So highlight or select all, picture, and then click clipboard. Now you have all the 6 images on the square. This is what you are seeing here is the lines around the image. So if you want to remove those lines, and go to the line section and click on the no line option. Once you're done, then all the lines will disappear. Now that is the perfect size photos, passport size photos, and you save it as the JPEG file, or for taking your photos in a printer or in a shop, or you can save it as the PowerPoint template also, so that you can reuse it again with the different photos. Okay, that is all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and want to see new video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Okay, we will see in another video with another tutorial. Thank you.